Conversion matters. Affiliates often want to know, why does conversion matter? When in the end, conversion is all that matters. If your websites do not convert visitors into buyers, you're just not making any money. Period. Plain and simple. That is why conversion matters. But to go a step further, conversion as it matters to you, the big dog affiliate marketer, isn't just about what one or two visitors do, it's about what the masses at your website do. For our purposes here, conversion really means what your site is doing as a whole. We can't reasonably expect that every visitor to your site will convert into a buyer, but wouldn't it be nice if we could? You do need to know that overall, however, what you are doing on your site is working. Conversion is about rates and statistics and sales, and unfortunately there are no real solid rules that apply. You cannot make sweeping judgments because the rules will be different for each and every product that you have. Each product and niche has its own set of needs. What you can do is maximize the profitability of your site. The way to do that is to test and change and tweak your content and your website until you have gotten the highest amount of sales and profitability that you can. There are ways to do that, and that's what we'll talk about next, but by and large there is a definite element of trial and error involved in converting website visitors into buyers. In the end, we're left with exactly what we started with in answer to this question. Plain and simple, conversion matters because conversion equals sales. Learn the art of the conversion, and you'll have one more of the crucial pieces of the affiliate marketing puzzle. For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.